Have you ever felt stuck in the same routine without money and not knowing where to start to change that? Have you ever thought about making $100,000 but gave up because you believed you needed to invest first? The truth is, what separates you from that goal is not a lack of money, but a lack of the right plan. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to go from zero to building a stream of income without needing to invest a single cent. Are you broke, out of money, and with no prospects? Do you feel trapped in a cycle where it seems impossible to get out of zero and build a stable financial life? If your answer is yes, then you need to watch this video until the end, because I will show you exactly how you can make $100,000 in 2025 without any initial investment. That's right, from absolute zero. Does it sound impossible? I understand your skepticism. Most people have been taught that to make money, you first need to have money. But this is one of the biggest lies you've been told. I will prove this with real stories of people who started with absolutely nothing and now live exclusively off the income they built online. If you want to change your financial life but don't know where to start, this video will be your map. And more. At the end, I will reveal the most common mistake that prevents most people from getting rich. And if you avoid this mistake, your chances of success will increase dramatically. So, stay with me until the end, because this might be the turning point you need. Now, before I show you the paths you can take to reach $100,000, I need to break this illusion that you need money to make money. In reality, what you need is knowledge and a well-structured plan. Let me give you a practical example. Think about the world's biggest digital entrepreneurs. Many of them started without any initial capital. They used skills, strategies, and most importantly, consistency. The money came later. Now, the question is, are you willing to take action even without seeing immediate results? Because the plan I'm about to show you works for anyone, but only those who actually apply the strategies will see results. So, if you're looking for a magical shortcut, this video is not for you. But if you're ready to truly change your financial life, then pay close attention over the next few minutes. The path to making $100,000 doesn't happen overnight. But if we break this goal into smaller parts, it becomes much more accessible. Let's do the math. $100 per day means $3,000 per month. In 1 year, that's $36,000. In less than 3 years, you reach $100,000. Now, the question you might be asking is, how do you make $100 per day from zero? There are 3 main paths to doing this, and I'm going to show you each one right now. The first path is freelancing, which is nothing more than selling skills you already have to people who need them. Even if you think you don't have any valuable skills, I'm going to prove that you do. The digital market has a huge demand for services like design, video editing, copywriting, social media management, and even virtual assistants. And the best part? You can start without investing anything. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Workcan allow you to create a free profile and start offering your services immediately. But how do you get your first clients if you've never worked with this before? Here's the secret. Start small, charge low prices at the beginning, and deliver impeccable service. The initial goal is not to make a lot of money, but to build a portfolio and get positive reviews. After a few weeks, you can raise your prices and attract bigger clients. Want a real example? I know someone who started editing short TikTok videos for just $5 each. In a few months, they were charging $50 per video and making over $3,000 per month, all without ever having edited professionally before. Now, if freelancing isn't your style, the second way to make money with no initial investment is through affiliate marketing. Here, you don't need to create any products. You simply promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale. There are several platforms for this, such as Hotmart, ClickBank, and Amazon affiliates. The trick here is to choose products that really have demand and learn how to promote them strategically. The simplest way to do this is by creating content on social media. You can make videos on TikTok, posts on Instagram, or even articles on a blog. The important thing is to provide value to people before trying to sell something. Many people are making thousands of dollars just by recommending digital products. And if you think this doesn't work, let me tell you about someone who started from scratch and now lives exclusively off affiliate marketing. This person started by posting personal development tips on Instagram, recommending books and courses as an affiliate, At first, they made just $10 a day, but within a few months, they were making over $5,000 per month. Now, let's talk about the most powerful and profitable path of all, creating your own digital business. If you really want to build an income that grows exponentially, then this is the best option. Here, you can sell online courses, create an ebook, offer mentorship, or even set up a store with drop shipping or print on demand. The biggest advantage of this model is that it allows you to scale your earnings without having to trade time for money. Unlike freelancing, where you need to work actively to get paid, a digital course can be sold to thousands of people without you having to create something new with every sale. Now, you might be wondering, but how am I going to sell something if no one knows me? The answer is in building an audience. It doesn't matter if you have 100 followers or 100,000. The important thing is to provide value to these people, teach something useful, solve a problem, and show that you know what you're talking about. Over time, your authority grows, and selling becomes natural. Now that you know the 3 paths to reaching $100,000, I need to tell you the biggest mistake that stops people from getting rich. And no, it's not a lack of money or a lack of time. The real problem is that most people give up too soon. They try for a few weeks, don't see immediate results, and simply quit. Financial success is a marathon, not a 100-meter sprint. If you expect results in just a few days, you will fail. But if you understand that consistency is the key, then you're already ahead of most people. So now I want to challenge you. Choose one of the 3 paths I showed you and take action today. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today. Leave a comment here telling me which path you're going to follow and tag me when you make your first $100. I want to see your progress. And if you want more content like this, subscribe to the channel now and turn on the notifications, because in the next videos, I will teach you even more advanced strategies to accelerate your earnings. Remember, the only thing separating you from financial freedom is action. So now it's your turn. Let's go.